MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you find this content to be enjoyable and that you'll actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos coming up. Alright y'all, so today I'm here with another synthetic wig review. And this wig was actually requested by one of my super sweet and loyal subbies that I appreciate so much. I'm not going to put her out on blast because she might not want to be put out on blast, but you know who you are, and I thank you so much for always tuning into my videos. And so when you made this request, I was like, no brainer, no question. Unfortunately, I have a super fast shopping trigger finger, and she wanted a specific color that I had already I was done. I had already grabbed her. I had already scooped her up in this color. So I apologize for my quick shopping trigger finger. So today's wig that I'm going to be reviewing is another Bobbi Boss unit from their Truly Me collection. I reviewed recently 3 of these units already. And now this would be my 4th one. I think it's my 5th one total because I reviewed one like last year in this Truly Me collection. But today I'm going to be reviewing Bianca, and I have her in the color 1B. Now, with these Truly Me collection units, they are claiming that their units are ready to wear, that they have a natural lace front, they have a hand-tied lace part, and they have an effortless style. They also give you some nice, fine baby hairs. I keep saying kudos to Bobbi Boss for getting these baby hairs together because we have been getting some baby bangs on their units. So I am quite pleased with the sparse. Keep them that way. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right into this video. Y'all, so after styling, I could pretty much say that this is definitely a ready to wear if you decide not to cut her up and customize her to shape your face. Of course, I'm extra, y'all, so I had to. I just couldn't leave it as is. You could definitely leave her as is out of the package and not cut her at all. I don't think she looks bad that way, but I personally had to cut her and get her to shape my face. I just do. I can't help it. So if you don't do any cutting, she's definitely ready to wear. Just throw her on. You don't even have to use the baby hairs if you don't want to. If you're not a baby hair chick, don't worry about it. Put a little foundation powder in the parting space and done and done. Good to go, y'all. I absolutely love these curls, this curl pattern. This is super cute, y'all. Only thing though, she got some good density on here now. Now it's not like heavy duty, but it's enough that when it's on your hair for a long period of time, you may notice. You may have some experiences with heat. Just being honest, y'all. Gotta bring it to you honest. She cute though. She is cute. I've only seen one other review on this unit, and that was Bobbi back here, and I thought she looked super cute in this wig. I think she had a natural color too, like a 1B or 2, something like that. It was definitely a natural color. So I kind of wish I would have gotten a different color as requested, but I was just too fast, y'all, and I just didn't want to order it again. One is enough. Like, I couldn't go back. But I do love this. This is super cute. These curls, definitely a vibe. So this unit is definitely giving like a light silky texture. It's not the kinky. It's definitely on the light silky, which is nice. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's very, very soft, actually. Very soft. You're not getting a pre-plucked hairline or anything with any of these Truly Me units. Yeah, you get the little baby hairs, and my baby hairs are all out of whack now, but that's about it. That's pretty much why I laid down the baby hairs, to kind of cover up this imperfect hairline. That's, you know, it's usually a good reason to lay down some baby hairs, to cover up the imperfect hairline. I did pull a little hair right here in the front of the part because it was just a little crowded. And we don't, you know, we don't like crowded parts. We want the part to be opened and look like a part. Open it up a little bit and put a little powder in there. You should be good to go. Because I cut her, of course I'm getting all kinds of shedding. I feel like it's hair all over me, but that's human error. I did cut her up. If I hadn't, she probably wouldn't be shedding. So all in all, there have really been some mixed reviews on these new units from this Truly Me collection. Some people are for it, some people are not really feeling it. I personally have not had many issues with them. I've been enjoying them, and I have actually been enjoying the others that I've seen that I haven't actually personally reviewed. So, you know, I'm a good fan of them. I mean, I feel like they're super easy and beginner friendly. You can find the style that works for you, whether you want it to be curly, whether you want it to be long and wavy, whether you want it to be short and wavy. I just feel like there's something for everybody, and I love that. So you have options with these new units in this collection. Now the price range for this unit ranges anywhere from $27 to $37. I think that's pretty affordable. You can definitely find her at the $27 mark. I'll be sure to include a link down in the description box below of some various options. I'll also include the links of the other reviews that I did on some of the other units in this collection, the newer units, as well as the old ones, because you might be interested in that as well. So be sure to check that out also. So that's really all I have for y'all. Like, easy breezy, right? I thank you all so much for joining me today and watching this video. I truly appreciate it as always. Shout out again to my good loyal subby friend. I appreciate you for requesting this wig, because I don't know if I would have purchased it otherwise. I think I was done. I would have taken a pause on the Truly Me collection. So now that I reviewed this one, I think I'm going to take a pause on the Truly Me collection and just watch everybody else do reviews on these. So I'm good. I'm happy with the ones that I've reviewed. So shout out to you. Thank you so much. Alright guys, be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!